Ethereum gave us amazing profits that we took based on a previous analysis, same as BTC. Let's discuss why we took previous trade on Ethereum, how it made us good money, and what we can do the next. If you remember in the previous analysis, I shared with you follow the trend until it breaks. And after that, I think you saw we shared with you results when we took beautiful long trade on Ethereum. It was at range low exactly. And after that, I executed it. Altogether, I made nearly 2000 USD on this futures trade. Once more, what was the main idea why we took long before on Ethereum? Let's come back here. Main reason, price. You can see here, it was still a range environment. Remember, in a previous analysis, I tried to share with you several times, when you have a trend market, best what you can do is to take a trade to continue into trend direction at range low. Ethereum exactly tested this range low, and that's based on this we took long trade. And after that, when price took this high, I closed it with amazing profit. Plus, about this plan, I shared so many times inside our trading community, because about Ethereum that you need to be only bullish. I shared, you can see even this plan, be bullish. This plan in a range, take long. Plan before, take long at range low. Like when you have a clear trend, best what you can do is to look trades for continue. Statistically, that's the easiest one. What about right now? Because at this moment, situation is a little bit different. Let's discuss before I ask you to push like on this analysis, and go follow me on Instagram. And when you follow me, write me a direct message. I will share with you my PDF manual with my strategy, because I started share a lot of secrets on my Instagram page. And also follow me on Telegram. What about right now? Let's discuss Ethereum and Bitcoin as always. What about right now? Honestly, Ethereum is after so huge rise. Main problem at this moment, if we would build Anki VWAP since this swing high, we reached key resistance from each previous time we did several drops. It is 0.5 deviation. You can see 2 times. Price did significant drop from such area. Honestly, at this moment, it is one of the most important resistance of this entire trend. Plus, price reached point of control, as you can see, this massive biggest volume of this entire composite volume profile of this entire range. It's another key resistance. That's why I would not surprise if Ethereum at this moment would consolidate or make some pullback. That's why what exactly I would plan to trade. What is my, I would tell dream scenario. My dream scenario at this moment that we will face something like this. Price would at this moment create some range. After that, make deviation down, would make additional consolidation, and after that continue this uptrend. It would be my, as I call it, my dream scenario. Let me show to you several examples how it played out before, because we saw it many times even here. Price broke a range. What they did, they consolidated, did big drop, and after that trend continue. Let's do some other several examples for you, because to understand what could be the next, sometimes it's the easiest way is to look at history. The same here, what they did beautiful rise, took additional high, dropped, consolidated, and continue. Like something like this. They did it many times, and they will do it many times in the future. The same they did into up direction. What they did pull back, consolidate, additional trap, and after that continue. But at this moment, we would wait something like this. Just they did rise, drop, consolidate, additional trap, and continue. The same stuff I wait at this moment, because after such significant rise, quite a lot of people would definitely desire to close their position. What additional reason? Additional reason because at this moment we face one of the biggest spot volume on spot on Ethereum, exactly at this high. Every previous time when we also face such significant spot volume, pay attention to a bigger time frame at this moment, because at this moment it's really matter. Let's do like this one. Every time just pay attention to significant spot volume where it appeared. Significant spot volume into high. What after that? Price did massive consolidation. Significant spot volume down, deep pullback. Significant spot volume, did deep pullback. Significant spot volume, consolidation. Significant spot volume only here, price did consolidation pullback. Significant spot volume, again, price was nearly its top. Significant spot volume, it was exactly here. 400 mil into this range high, and at this moment there is no continuation. That's why, statistically speaking, at this moment it would be really good if Ethereum would create some range and after that continue uptrend. What exactly entry ideas at this moment I have? Let me show you this idea that I shared within our community, our club. I wrote this plan on Ethereum. You can see previous idea to take long. We also shared it here to take long at range low. Significant futures delta absorption. At this moment, my long plan at this swing low, here I would wait for open interest trap and I would take long trade to range high. Because at this moment, even before trend reversal, there could be some additional consolidation, additional high testing, something like that. Price can do it for quite a long period of time. That's why key zone for me at this moment, 23.95. I wait for open interest absorption to take a trade as a confirmation. What is open interest absorption? Let me show to you once more. By the way, at this moment, I ask you to push like and follow because we share a lot of secrets with you. And also remind to you that with our students, we take trades because quite a lot of our students took also beautiful long on Ethereum with me because I shared those plans many days before. Some person made 8,000 USD. Like a lot of our students share trades and take with me on a daily basis. And what you can do, you also can become part of our community where we share such plans, signals. What you do, get access to our private traders club, open here, there would be such form, fill it, write your name, email, phone number, and join us, and let's start making money together because you can see how accurate our trading plans. That's why once more, what's open interest absorption? Open interest, it's amount when people open trades on exchanges. And what's here? You can see open interest still high because what's trap? Trap, it is when we have a lot of open interest entered into tiny area with no results. Statistically, it would be a trap traders, as it was here, for example. Trap traders. Often, price will go against them and take their stop losses. That's why when you have clear trend direction, key area, and open interest trap, that's simply the best place to take a trade. That's it. That's why if price would take this level low, I would wait for open interest trap to take long. Where I would consider short, as I shared at this moment on this trading plan, I would consider short at 27.20. Why here? Because it would be range high, plus it would be 2.5 VWAP deviation. By the way, what's VWAP, what's open interest, I will add 3 videos in description. You can see VWAP, 2.5 deviation from which price bounced before. At this moment, it is a key resistance. And also, if price reach here, there would be open interest trap or stop loss hunt, I would take also short trade. Because at this moment, there's a big chance for price to create a range to consolidate. That's about Ethereum. Ethereum at this moment, pay attention, has even bigger volumes than BTC. That's why it's super important to pay attention to Ethereum. What's about Bitcoin? Let's discuss it because Bitcoin also beautiful. At this moment, we still have this uptrend. Pay attention. We have still this uptrend, and key support during this uptrend is around first deviation of VWAP. At this moment, key support is still around 98. Plus, pay attention to this low volume node, which means price can take this low volume node, form bigger range, and after that continue this uptrend. Statistically speaking, still we have this up structure, and best what we can do is to look for long trades after some bigger stop loss hunt. At this moment, I wait for some bigger stop loss hunt and to take long trade at this key zone. That's this key zone for me at this moment, the most important one. What about short ideas? Honestly, right now, when we are at range low, I don't consider any short ideas, because short better to take if price would take range high. Only at range high it's possible to take short, or price break all of the stuff down, and at some pullback it's possible to take short. But in what cases I would, what would be the best case to consider short? If we go to smaller time frame, let's close this Ankit view up and go to smaller time frame and show to you what would be the best places to consider short. Best place at this moment, it is 2.5 or even third deviation view up. If price take range high, it is only one area. It's only this area, 105 plus 105 700. It is a key area where it's possible to take short with potential stop loss, something like this, 1%, and potential reward range low. Only 1, 2, 3, because it is against that trend. That's why, once more, for short, wait for a range high, sets alert. My apologies, set alert. For a long, at this moment, wait for open interest trap. You can wait for that open interest trap here, around 101,300, or at 98,000, because at this moment, at any moment, the range could become bigger, and when range become bigger, price could take this lower level. My friend, still Ethereum is the most important at this moment, because volume bigger and there would be bigger volatility. Highly advise you to pay attention more to Ethereum. Right now, ask you to push like, follow, and watch this video lesson about what's open interest, because it's super important to use that indicator at this moment as a confirmation to take a trade, because after such significant rise, with bigger chance we will start to create a range and create a lot of traps, and open interest will help you understand it. Have a good day.